What does caveat emptor mean? Picture yourself in the heart of ancient Rome, surrounded by bustling markets filled with vibrant goods. As you browse through pottery, textiles, and spices, one principle looms large: caveat emptor, or let the buyer beware. This ancient maxim is a cornerstone of Roman law and commerce, reminding buyers that they must take responsibility for their purchases. In the world of ancient Rome, sellers were not required to disclose defects or issues with their goods. This meant that if you bought a piece of pottery that turned out to be cracked, you could not return it or seek compensation. The onus was entirely on you, the buyer, to inspect items thoroughly before making a deal. In practice, caveat emptor shaped the way transactions occurred in the Roman marketplace. Buyers had to be diligent, checking livestock for health, inspecting land for boundaries, and ensuring that any goods were fit for purpose. If you were purchasing a plot of land, it was your duty to verify the soil quality and confirm the boundaries. Sellers had no obligation to inform you of any hidden flaws. This principle encouraged a culture of vigilance and self-reliance among buyers, who often found themselves at a disadvantage due to the information gap between them and sellers. The legal system in ancient Rome operated with minimal consumer protections. This lack of formal safeguards meant that disputes were common, but caveat emptor served as a practical guideline. It emphasized the importance of buyer due diligence and created a framework where buyers had to be proactive in their assessments. For instance, if you were buying textiles, you needed to check for defects yourself, as sellers were not liable for any hidden issues after the sale was completed. Caveat emptor also reflects a broader philosophy within Roman governance and administration. The legal system often balanced individual responsibility with communal trade norms. While it lacked the warranty systems we see today, it encouraged transparency and ethical behavior in commerce. Over time, this principle influenced many later legal systems, highlighting the importance of personal accountability in both governance and trade. So, the next time you think about ancient Rome and its bustling markets, remember the significance of caveat emptor. It was not just a phrase, it was a guiding principle that shaped the very fabric of Roman commerce and law.